Welcome back to the Yombu channel. Today, we're talking about how to throw an epic Dino-themed birthday bash. From Dino-themed decor to entertainment, and of course, birthday cake, we've got your back. There's no shortage on the availability of dinosaur-themed goods, but we've narrowed it down for you. 1. Dino birthday party decor. Think fabulous party backdrops with bright bunting and balloon garlands. If you really want to splash, then Amazon sells 113-piece dinosaur-themed decoration packets, including balloons, curtains, and banners. 2. Dino-themed entertainment. Play some themed games like Pin the Tail on the Dinosaur, Dinosaur Egg Hunt, and Dinosaur Tail Stomp, where you tie a string around a child's waist with a balloon attached to it. The string has to be long enough to reach the ground. Then, the other children have to chase them to try and pop it. Another classic is Dinosaur Dig, where you bury plastic dinosaur bones in your garden or sand pit and let the little ones dig them up. The one who finds the most wins. 3. Dinosaur-themed birthday cake. Have a look at the link in the video description for Bakery Lorraine, who can customize a delicious dino cake with any text of your choosing. 4. Dino Party Favors. Grab some gold foil-covered chocolate eggs in the store and hide them away for an egg hunt. Or check out the link in the video description so you can try your hand at making some amazing dinosaur eggs with a surprise inside that the kids get to take home. We don't know about you, but we think that's a pretty awesome list of how to throw your own dinosaur-themed birthday party. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the latest party themes.